इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड गवर्नेंस का 30 क्वेश्चन हम आज मॉक टेस्ट करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द आइडिया ऑफ जुडिशियल रिव्यू इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज बोरोड फ्रॉम ऑप्शन ए यूके, ऑप्शन बी यूएसए, ऑप्शन सी कनाडा एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑस्ट्रेलिया। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी यूएसए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to constitutional remedies? Option A Article 14, Option B Article 19, Option C Article 32, Option D Article 21. The correct answer is Option C Article 32. Question number 3, the term procedure established by law is borrowed from USA, UK, Japan and Ireland. The correct answer is option C, Japan. The next question 4, who is regarded as the constitutional head of the state government? Option A Chief Minister, Option B Governor, Option C Speaker, Option D Chief Secretary. The right answer is option B Governor. Next question, the Panchayat Raj system was first implemented in option A Maharashtra, option B Gujarat, option C Rajasthan, option D Odisha and option. The correct answer is option C Rajasthan. The next question, question number 6, which constitutional amendment gave constitutional status to Panchayat Raj institutions? Option A 42 amendment, option B 44 amendment, option C 73 amendment and option D 86 amendment. The correct answer is option C 73 amendment. The next question, the 11th schedule of the constitution is related to fundamental rights, municipalities, Panchayat Raj and emergency provisions. The correct answer is option C Panchayat Raj. Question number 8, which body conducts election to panchayats? Option A Election Commission of India, option B State Election Commission, option C Parliament, option D District Collector. The right answer is option B State Election Commission. Question number 9, rule of law in India implies option A supremacy of parliament, option B supremacy of judiciary, option C equality before law, option D supremacy of executive. The correct answer is equality before law, option C. Question number 10, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? A protect public property, option B develop scientific temper, option C vote in election, option D respect the constitution. The correct answer is option C vote in election. The next question, the concept of public interest litigation PIL was introduced in India by Parliament, Executive Order, Judiciary, Finance Commission. The right answer is C Judiciary. Question number 12, the directive principle of state policy DPSP are inspired by the Constitution of USA, Ireland, Canada, France. The right answer is option B Ireland. Question number 13, which article abolishes untouchability? Article 15, Article 16, Article 17, Article 18. The correct answer is Article 17, option C. Question number 14, The Finance Commission is constituted under Article 263, Article 280, Article 356, Article 324. The correct answer is Article 280 option B. Question number 15. The anti-defection law was added through 42 amendment, 44 amendment, 52 amendment, 61 amendment. The right answer is option C, 52 amendment. Question number 16. Which constitutional body is known as the watchdog of public finance? Option A, Election Commission. Option B, UPSC. Option C, CAG. Option D, Finance Commission. The correct answer is option C, CAG or CAG. The next question. Gram Sabha consists of elected member only, all adult residents of a village, Panchayat secretary only, Sarpanch and ward members. The correct option is B, all adult रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ ए विलेज. सॉरी दोस्तों, मैं आंसर लिखना भूल गया हूँ. ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर है, ऑल एडल्ट रेसिडेंट ऑफ विलेज. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 18. द राइट टू प्राइवेसी वॉज डिक्लेयर ए फंडामेंटल राइट इन ऑप्शन ए 2010, ऑप्शन बी 2014, ऑप्शन सी 2017, ऑप्शन डी 2019. The correct answer is 2017, option C. Question number 19. Which writ is used to produce a person before the court? Mandamus. Option B, habeas corpus. Option C, certiorari. Option D, quo warranto. The correct answer is option B, habeas corpus. Question number 20. The constitutional amendment procedure is borrowed from option A, South Africa, option B, Canada, option C, Germany, and option D, Australia. The correct answer is option A, South Africa. Question number 21. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. The correct answer is option B, Part 3. The question number 22. The term secular was added to the preamble by option A 24 amendment, option B 42 amendment, option C 44 amendment, and option D 52 amendment. The correct answer is option B 42 amendment. The next question is 23. Which institution act as the guardian of fundamental rights? Guardian of fundamental rights. The option is option A Parliament, option B President, option C Supreme Court, option D Election Commissions. The correct answer is option C Supreme Court. Question number 24. The minimum age to become the President of India is option A 30 years, option B 35 years, option C 40 years, option D 45 years. The correct answer is option B 35 years. Question number 25. Which committee recommended the three-tier Panchayat Raj system? Question A Sarkaria Committee, question B option A Sarkaria Committee, option B Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, option C Ashok Mehta Committee, and option D Punchi Commission. The correct answer is option B Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Question number 26. The right to education is provided under Article 19A, ऑप्शन बी आर्टिकल 21A, ऑप्शन सी आर्टिकल 22, ऑप्शन डी आर्टिकल 25. The right answer is option B, Article 21A. The next question, 27. The constitutional head of India is A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Lok Sabha Speaker. The right answer is option B, President. Constitutional head of India is President. Next question, 28. Which schedule contains the language recognized by the constitutions? Option A 7th schedule, option B 8th schedule, option C 9th schedule, option D 10th schedule. The correct answer is option B 8th schedule. Question number 29. 0 hour in parliament is option A mentioned in the constitution, option B mentioned in rules of procedure, option C an informal parliamentary device, option D a judicial practice. The correct answer is option C an informal parliamentary device. The next question and the last question, it is the last question of today. Question number 30. Which of the following is a feature of the parliamentary system? Option A separation of powers, option B fixed tenure of executive, option C collective responsibility, option D presidential veto. The correct answer is option C collective responsibility. It was 30 question मॉक टेस्ट. अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो कमेंट में आप पार्ट 2 लिख देंगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पार्ट 2 लाऊंगा. Thank you for watching this video.